Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove age restrictions on YouTube. Now, if you want to watch 18 plus content on YouTube, the first thing we're going to do is get into your settings. So open up the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, tap on You at the very bottom right. Now, after we've done that, keep note of which account you're logged into. In this case, I'm just on my Trevor Nace account, and I'm going to tap on that gear icon at the very top right. After I've done that, the first and easiest way to turn off the restricted mode is just to tap on at the very top where it says General. So once you're in here, you can see restricted mode. This helps hide potentially mature videos. All you need to do is toggle this off to get 18 plus videos. However, if this doesn't work for you, there are two different places we're going to check. The first place is let's go back. And from here, let's tap on Google account. This is your Google account and check on it to make sure the birthday is correct. So let's tap on personal info and make sure the birthday is set to the correct birthday, indicating your age is 18 plus. Now, if that is correct, the next thing we're going to do is open up a web browser and check to see if there's an issue with Google Family Link. So I'm just going to type in Google Family Link here and go to it. And then go to familylink.google.com. Now, once I'm in here, you can see at the top right, I'm logged into my account. You can see on here, I have children on here, Madison, Micah, Morgan, on this list. And you'll be able to see they have child accounts under my parent account. And if I tap on YouTube here, it might be set to YouTube Kids or Parent Supervised. If it is set to YouTube Kids or Parent Supervised, it could be potentially limiting your functionality and the ability to use YouTube essentially and see adult or restricted content. On here, you might need to go back and then just update it through the account settings. You can see the birthday here. Again, that birthday needs to match your correct birthday. And of course, it needs to be 18 plus to be able to see that restricted content. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.